right, welcome back to the pre-market prep, everyone. One of those days for me. Oddly enough, here's your non-trading related tip of the day. Totally non-trading related, but many of you know I've been working on a couple of these construction projects, the home office remodel, as well as that maker space. And I mean, I'm months into these projects, and this is your non-trading related tip. If you're thinking, I mean, many people start thinking about like spring projects, you know, a deck, an addition, a remodel. I'll tell you this, start now. I mean, it is so hard to get materials right now. Every contractor is booked. So totally non-trading related, but that's your tip of the day. Start now. If you're thinking about that deck in May, seriously, order your materials, get your contractor lined up. All right, that being said, I am going to be in and out pretty quick today, but I was here for like 20 minutes yesterday. I think I put in almost 20 minutes on my birthday, no less. So I'll probably be out of here in 10 minutes today. But because of the fact that I need to meet a contractor at 9 a.m. on a couple of these projects. But that being said, keep in mind, check out the Steady Trade team. So here's the thing. I know I come on here all the time and I talk about my commitment to the Steady Trade team. I'm going to miss a webinar today. I'm going to miss a webinar with Steady Trade team. Guess what I'm doing as a makeup? Tomorrow, I'm doing 3 hours. 3 hours. Okay. Whatever you think of that. I don't know. But that's how committed I am. I feel bad about missing a webinar. I've got my yearly physical this afternoon. I'm going to be out of the chat. I'm going to be out of the Steady Trade team chat for most of the day because I've got a contractor and my yearly physical. But guess what I do as a makeup? I do a 3-hour webinar from 9 to noon tomorrow. Maybe I'm crazy. Maybe I'm committed. Maybe I should be committed because I'm crazy. Oh, there's your dad joke of the day. So anyway, check out the Steady Trade team. Hey, would love to see you tomorrow for 3 hours. So anyway, all right, that being said, let's get to work. Gene, yeah, well done, Hillary Hall. Hillary Hall brings in the first ticker of the day. Guess what's on my screen? Guess what's the number one? So Hillary Hall, well done. I mean, notice, if you were paying attention, I did not flip any tickers. Hillary Hall came in strong with the first ticker of the day, and it's the same ticker that's the number one dip and rip, baby. 13 million shares, 7 million shares trade. I mean, you guys have seen how many times have you seen this pattern when we go live? I mean, what? 9 out of 10 days? We got that huge gap up and then consolidation around V. I mean, seriously, if you're here every day, maybe not 9 out of 10, but 7 out of 10. So, and the volume's there. They got some whatever news. As always, listen, just like OBLN, okay? This is potentially today's OBLN, okay? I'm not saying Gene's going to 11, it might go to 11, but, OBLN went from whatever, $1.50 to 11 yesterday. I'm not saying it's moving like that, but the point is, it's the same setup, okay? BS News, just like OBLN, history of running, just like OBLN, has the exact same chart pattern at 8:35 as OBLN. So guess what's coming? All of you should see this. I mean, at this point, anybody that's been here should know what's coming. Continued float rotation. Just like, hopefully, I hope some of the big chat rooms getting this, just like OBLN yesterday. We had the big chat room jump in this yesterday. Killed the momentum in OBLN at the open. But that's what we like, okay? That's what we like when the big followings all rush in at 9 a.m. They get scared out at the open, shorts pile in, and then 9:45, you get the panic. So, in summary, basically, this is today's OBLN. That's probably the best way I can summarize this thing. So, new note. Oh, whoops. Gene, breakdown of this as today's OBLN. Same shit, different day. And I know I keep it PG here. I like to keep it PG. So same stuff, different day. Sorry if the kids are in the room. I do apologize. Same stuff, different day. $121.21. Sounds like a lucky day. $121.21. A lot of you asking about BBIG. Oh no. This isn't Himini, is it? The Movie Pass? Where did I see Movie Pass? Is this some out? Ah! Oh! No! Ted Farnsworth, former chairman of Movie Pass! Ah! Oh, jeez. This guy isn't from Himini, is he? Ted Farnsworth. Oh, no. One of the worst penny stocks of all time. Oh, yeah. Please avoid this. Okay? Hey, do what you will. Okay? Do what you will. I'm not here to tell you what to do. I'm not your boss. I'm just giving my opinions. But I say avoid BBIG like the plague, or here's the thing, short afternoon fades. Avoid or short afternoon fades. Yee! I feel so dirty. Sun W, number one swing idea just continues. You listen, I'm going to end on this. I do have to run. Nothing has changed on Sun W from 2 weeks ago. So remember, we have two approaches. If you're already in Sun W, set a trailing stop and let it ride. I mean, this has been, other than maybe SOL, this is number one or number two swing trade from the last couple weeks. So if you're in it, set a trailing stop. Otherwise, look for that hold of green. So you're looking for that dip towards the previous day's close. You're looking for a hold. You would enter the perk, and then you would risk a green to red. So two approaches. If you're in it, congrats. Well done. Awesome. Let it work. Set your trailing stop and don't, and do other things. Just let Sun W keep trucking. Otherwise, if you're not in it, this is one of the top 5 favorite patterns. Look for that hold of green, then the perking action, ideally into the afternoon, and then you're risking a red move. So let's say you buy it, say it bounces off 1530, you enter it 1550, whole dollar, half dollar, which are areas that we love, and then you're risking, like, say, 1525 if it goes red on the day. You're risking 25 cents or 25, maybe 50 cents on a $15 stock that was as high as 17 this morning. So you have realistic potential that this could break 17. I think this is going to 20 at some point. And there you go. And I was supposed to leave early. And here I am Still at 15 minutes. Breakdown of continued number 1 or number 2 fave swing. Okay, guys. Have a great day. Like I said, check out the Steady Trade team. Would love to see you tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. for 3 hours. I mean, I know I go really fast on these things, but, I go as fast as I can to get through as much as possible. But tomorrow, 3 hours, I can slow down. I can answer all your questions. Have a great day. And like I said, start your spring projects now. Do not wait. Okay? If you're thinking about that patio, you're thinking about that deck, you're thinking about that new home office, start now. Because you'll be lucky if you're done by June. All right. Have a good day.